Brother seats Junior. Then helps mother.
First, you need to launch AVCLabs Video Enhancer AI on your computer. Then drag and drop the video directly into the program or click on the box to open the folder where the video is located. Now you can come and adjust the setup parameters you need. You can choose the size of the image quality you need to enhance, and you can also make adjustments to the specific frame rate. Below, we have also provided some different AI models. You can also individually apply quality enhancement to faces, colorize black and white videos, and apply motion compensation to motion videos. You can also make partial adjustments to the video's parameters, such as brightness, contrast, sharpness, etc. Finally, after adjusting the video format, encoding, bitrate, voice settings and output path, AVCLabs is ready to start processing your video.
Brother seats Junior. Then helps mother to her chair as he would his best girl.